Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas. We're on deck 15. Check it out. We got up there, that's the Swim Tonic. Also got the lime and coconut there on deck 16. We're here on 15. You can look down into Central Park down here. That is Central Park. Check it out. It's on deck 8. On deck 8. Alright. We got this guy up here. He's been trying to take a picture for days now. He hasn't moved. Crazy. You get the loud music. It's like a party here on the Icon. Alright. Lots of seating here. What do we got over this way? Oh, there's like so much on this ship. This is crazy. This is more lime and coconut. We've got lime and coconut over here. Got lots of pools, lots of place to hang out, lots of place to sit. There's a way over here up to the upstairs portion of lime and coconut. Yeah, up there they got the Swim Tonic there. They got a band getting ready to play. Can you see them over there? They got hot tubs, a lot more seating, a lot more loud music. It's crazy. Oh. If you see off in the distance, that's the Carnival Dream. Carnival Dream's here. Today we are in Costa Maya. We're in Mexico.
You want to get on?
Yeah, look at this. The pool. There's so many people in the pool over here. It's crazy. But yeah, it's a port day, and there's this many people still on the ship. They're staying on the ship. They're not getting off because the ship itself is like a destination itself. It's crazy though that, yeah. Most of the time when you're at port, everyone, I'm talking to everybody, gets off and explore the land. But here on the Icon, it's different. They're like all on the ship. It's crazy. Alright, we're gonna head up here to Thrill Island. Thrill Island is home of the Category 6 Waterpark. Got some extreme slides here. Alright, go up these stairs. Yep, here we are at Thrill Island. Yeah, we'll go inside. Let's check this out. It's almost like we're at a water park on land. It doesn't look like on a ship. I mean, I've been on lots of ships before with water slides, but this is like a park, like a complete water park. I mean, look at all this. This is some crazy stuff. Yeah. I mean, I've been to some water parks, and it didn't seem like they had this many slides. There are so many slides. Some are single rider, some are multi-rider, some take rafts, some just go. But this is crazy. I mean, if I was a kid, what am I kidding? I am a kid. That all of these slides. Look at this. There's so many water slides. Alright. That's not even the craziest ones. Look at this. There's like this tower over here. They call them storm chasers. They're up there. Way over there. Yeah. There's a drop slide there. People actually just drop out of that. Don't know if anyone's coming out of there, but that'd be wild to see. I don't see anyone coming out, but yeah, there's that slide there. There's another one up there too. I mean, all these slides. And you know what the best part is? All of these are included with the cruise fare. There's no additional charge for these slides. Yeah, we got sports court over there. Looks like they're playing some basketball. There's another great view of all the slides. Look at this. Wow. Man, this looks like a ton of fun. Yeah. As soon as I'm done filming, I'm gonna get in my suit. I'm gonna get wet. But look at all those slides. That looks like, I'm not kidding. This looks like so much fun. I got another drop slide over here. That one looks really steep. The yellow one there. Yeah. And over this way, there's mini golf. This looks like a nice mini golf course. I'm telling you, those water slides. That looks like the winner. Look at that. Go all the way up there. Woo! I heard some screaming. That's funny. Someone's up there screaming. Let's take a quick look upstairs. Check out this sports court. Alright, upstairs. Actually might be a pretty good view of the mini golf too. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at this. You can see the mini golf course here. And up here. Yeah. Lots of basketball being played. How are they doing that on such a hot day? I don't know. Maybe it's just old. But yeah, those water slides. I gotta go. That's crazy. Crazy fun that is. Alright. And of course, this is me, Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm on Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hopefully, I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.